In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to print a document from Adobe Fill Sign. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click and which options to check so your filled and signed document comes out looking professional and accurate. Start with your document already completed in Adobe Fill Sign. That means your fields are filled, your signature or initials are in place, and you're satisfied with how everything looks on screen. When you're ready to move from digital to paper, look toward the top right area of the viewer. You'll see the download button and right beside it a three-dot icon. That three-dot icon is the Overflow or More Options menu. Click it to open the additional actions available for your file. From the menu that appears, choose Print this file. This action opens the print interface for your device or browser and brings up a preview. The preview is your chance to confirm that everything fits on the page as expected. Take a quick look at the edges of the page and any sections with signatures or form fields to be sure nothing is cut off. Now adjust the settings you want. Start by confirming the printer you intend to use is selected. If you have multiple printers, pick the one closest to you or the one with the paper type you need. Choose the number of copies and decide whether you want single-sided or double-sided printing if your printer supports duplex. For official documents, single-sided is often preferred. For drafts, double-sided can save paper. Look at orientation next. If the document is wider than it is tall, switch to landscape. Otherwise, keep it in portrait. Check the paper size. Most documents are set for letter or A4. If the preview shows margins that are too tight or content that's getting clipped, adjust the scale. Fit to page or shrink to fit will ensure everything lands within printable margins, while actual size keeps the original proportions if precise measurements matter. If color isn't necessary, change color mode to black and white or grayscale to save ink. For multi-page files, set the page range if you only need certain pages, like a signature page or a summary, rather than the entire document. Finally, verify the quality setting if available. Standard is fine for everyday use, while higher quality can help small text and signatures appear crisper. Once your preview matches your expectations and the settings reflect your needs, you're all set. That's all there is. After signing, open the three-dot menu beside Download, select Print this file, and fine-tune your settings to get the result you want. Thanks for watching, and happy printing.